Welcome back to RootLevel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. This is where we cover Linux, DevOps, and everything related to servers and system administration. Today we're going to install WordPress on Ubuntu from absolute scratch. Step by step, no fluff, just what you actually need to get it working. We'll update the system, set up a full LAMP stack, that's Apache, MySQL, and PHP, then download and configure WordPress itself, set up a virtual host, and finally open the browser and see our site live. Open the terminal. First things first, let's update the system to make sure everything is up to date. Type sudo apt update vv apt upgrade. Why wait for it to finish, and let's move on. Now we're installing Jinx, our web server. Then MySQL, the database WordPress needs. And PHP. Without it, WordPress simply won't run. We can grab all of this with one command. Nice. The stack is up. Now let's download the latest WordPress from the official site, extract it and place it in the right directory. Set the correct permissions. Don't skip this step, it matters. All done. Open the browser, enter our address, and the WordPress installation wizard appears. A few clicks and the site is live. Let's go.